Hey, what's up, Sal? Corey here. Jacob told me to send out this video for you. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually drive more traffic to your website, help you bring in more customers, and they grow your business. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. While I got your site pulled up here, the first thing I'm actually going to run over is content. Everything that you see, Google sees as well. Even these little images, this all has content in it as too. You got download one. You can actually put buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings so you can get on that first page faster. And your first tip I'm actually going to throw out there. I'd like to be right around that 2,000 word count right on that first page. Makes it easier to actually layer in those keywords, and those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. If I go inside of Google, type in heating repair San Diego, you got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually starting to replace these old school ads, which became very spammy. These Google guarantees just block out some of those spammy phone calls. A lot of people do have ad blockers up as well, so a lot of these ads aren't even getting through to a lot of people. Underneath the ads, we have this GMB or Google My Business listing right here at the very top. And to get to the very top where all the traffic actually happens right here in the three top sections, you're going to be dealing with all these things called citations. These are just simply business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally what you'd want to do is go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in this listing. Underneath this GMB, we have that first page of Google. Right here is really where all that organic traffic lands, right there on that first page of Google. And to be found right here with your website really comes down to making sure you have all that content. You're found for those keywords of what people are actually searching for to bring in that work, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. You got good backlinks, bad backlinks. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. Kind of give you an example. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you got this thing going back in 2015, and then you kind of had a downhill and just kind of plateaued from there. But this is the last 3 months. You got 33 referring domains, 233 backlinks. Historically, you've had almost 4,000 there. 83 organic keywords you're actually being found for. 9 clicks to your website that's coming in. That's an average per month. Coming in, we can actually see what you're ranking for, also your position, and also how many leads you're coming in from each keyword. Air conditioning, Chula Vista, there's 40 clicks a month on average coming in from that one keyword. Fourth position, you got 4 clicks coming from that one keyword right there. AC repair, Chula Vista, another 60 clicks. HVAC repair, San Diego, 100 clicks. 24th position, missing the traffic. Air conditioning, Chula Vista, got that again. HVAC service, San Diego, another 40 clicks. 26th position, missing all the traffic. You just need more content and also some better backlinking. You're going to notice your phone start ringing off the hook, and you're going to get some higher positions and a lot higher returns coming in as well for these keywords. Let me show you one of your competitors here. Let me find a company here. Let's do Anderson. Stick them inside of Ahrefs real quick. I'm going to do a quick overview. So they got 59 backlinks coming from 13 domains, 56 keywords, and they got only 50 clicks to their site, so they're really not ranking. But here's some of the keywords. Heating repair San Diego, 100 clicks. Looks like they got an ad running from that keyword as well. Second position, they got 18 clicks coming from the 100. That's not a bad position to be in with that one keyword. Heating repair San Diego, there's another 50 clicks. Furnace repair San Diego, another 60 clicks. They're getting a little bit of traffic out of it. But really, they probably need a lot more backlinking done to bring these up a little bit as well. But really coming in, finding these keywords will make a huge difference. Hopefully that all made sense to you, because I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Take care. Bye.